Did you know a single pinch of kitchen spice can flip droopy houseplants into blooming stars while chasing away pesky midges? Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm sharing a quick, low-cost trick using humble ground red chili powder that boosts growth, strengthens immunity, sparks vibrant flowers, and keeps soil gnats off stage, all in one go. Each fiery grain brims with potassium for sturdy stems, phosphorus for eager roots, iron for lush leaves, plus zingy capsaicinoids that pep up plant metabolism and make life miserable for tiny soil pests. To banish midges, simply sprinkle 1 level spoon of red chili powder over the soil of an average pot, about 15 centimeters, then mix it lightly into the top centimeter. If there's space, add a thin layer of fresh mix on top. For a growth tonic, stir 1 teaspoon of chili powder into 1 liter of hot water, around 60 degrees Celsius. Let it cool, strain it through fine mesh or cloth, and, on pre-moistened soil, water slowly at the root until a trickle appears below. Use this spicy feed every 3 to 4 weeks and watch orchids, violets, geraniums, almost every houseplant, burst into fuller foliage, brighter blooms, and zero gnat drama. A quick safety spark. Wear gloves if your skin is sensitive, avoid touching your face, rinse tools right after use, and tuck the powder beneath the soil if curious pets roam nearby. Try this chili boost and share your results below. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions keep this channel growing. Until next time, happy, spicy gardening.